If you're going to travel by bus to any destination in Greece from Athens, you have to make sure that you're in the right bus station, because there's two main bus stations. The one is Liosion, which is on the other side of the city, and this one is Kifissos bus station, which is the bigger one. They're about 5 kilometers apart, about 10 euros from the taxi. So make sure you're on the right one. So this is Kifissos, or from the airport you need X93. As you enter, it just looks massive, industrial, daunting, quite chaotic, noisy. It's not a nice place. But what you need to do is to head for the notice board, which says where you can buy your tickets and where the platforms are. For the tickets, you need to know that there's no central office that sells tickets for every direction. Every KTEL has its own office and covers different parts of Greece. So according to where you're traveling, you need the right one. So today we're going to Kalamata, and we need to find what is the selling point for Kalamata. This sign here in Greek, intercity, means issuing of tickets. So this is where you buy your tickets. This is the area where you buy your tickets to the different destinations of Greece. In our case, we are going to Kalamata, so it's KTEL Messinias, which is in the corner over there. So I got the tickets. That's what they look like. They're always in paper form. You cannot travel with e-tickets, unfortunately. Even if you buy online, you have to come here and collect the tickets. Once you have your ticket, you can find the platform where your bus is going to depart from, and you can see those big notice boards with the name of the destination. So for example, this one goes to Corfu. So here's a notice board with the platforms, and we're going to Kalamata, which is over there. So we need 3031 platform. So we found the platform, but as you can see, it doesn't say Kalamata, it says Messinia, which is the county where Kalamata is located. So you need to remember the number, and if you got the number right, you're in the right place. When you buy your tickets and you need to wait for your bus, there are several waiting areas, like the one behind me. It's not the most comfortable waiting area you'll find, at least it is an option. Alternatively, you can go to the snack bars and the cafes, buy something and sit there, which is a bit more comfortable. There's quite a choice of fast food places like this one, and you can sit down and have a meal or take it in hand. There are all sorts of shops in the bus station, and you can buy anything you can imagine, including a teddy to cuddle up on the bus. This one has quite a number of bookshops, like this one, with quite a wide array of books you can buy. Now, there are toilets in several parts of the station, and usually there is a person there who is the cleaner. You can tip them on your way out, but I don't think it's essential. You can use the toilets for free. People can access freely the station, so be aware that the person next to you may not necessarily be traveling. There could be somebody that's lurking around. So it's best if you have your luggage with you, your belongings with you, and you don't leave them and wander off. There are always taxis available inside the station. So if you arrive here, you can jump on a taxi and head off straight away. Something to note is that smoking is allowed inside the station, so be aware of that. If you're a smoker, that's good news, but obviously if you're not, you may not like it.